So trigonometry, when are we using that? When in our question we can see a shape of triangle. So this question is about the fish shop that has a logo and we have some measurement. So in this particular part, what do we need to do? CDEF, CDEF. So this part of our logo is symmetrical about CE. What does that mean? That means that if I fold it along this line, if I fold that shape, it will exactly fold onto itself, meaning these two sides are exactly the same. Work out the total area of CDEF. Give your answer correct to the nearest centimeter squared. So we don't have a formula for this type of a shape, but here they are pointing out that actually you can consider an area of triangle and multiply that area by 2, and therefore we get the full length. How do we calculate area of triangle? We go to our table. We have few formulas to choose from. Page 9. So how do we know which formula to choose? Okay, let's take them and let's consider what information do we need in order to that's not what I wanted to do, in order to use these formulas. So if I'm looking at the very first formula, I have A, what is A? A side of the triangle, and then I have H, and H is the height dropped at it, at the right angle. So I do have sides. The problem is that none of them, and I have a measurement of them, but I don't have the height that is dropped. So could I find it? Probably yes, but maybe another formula will be easier to use. Then the second formula is saying we have side A, so one side of the triangle, then B, which is another side of the triangle, and then we have C, which is the angle. So we need two sides that create an angle. And that's exactly what we have here. We have one side, another side, and then we have angle in between them. So it's definitely this formula we can use. So therefore, we will say that the area will be what? A half multiplied by A. Doesn't matter, let's say that this side is A, so 22, multiplied by B. So let's say this is B, 11.8, multiplied by sin of an angle C is 110. And let's not forget, we have to multiply that by 2 in order to get the full area. And we put all these numbers in our calculator, we press equal, and to the nearest centimeter square, we should get 244.